When you're approaching someone on LinkedIn, the only thing that they can see is your name, your photo, and the next to it, it's the job title, the punchline that I'm talking about. Your way of showcasing yourself should be in a way that you already have something you're bringing to the table. What's up, everyone? Welcome to this new video series of LinkedIn. And today we're going to talk about the most important section of your LinkedIn, which is the introduction part, where your profile picture, your job title, your location, your background, everything should be perfect because that's the face of your LinkedIn profile. So let's get right into it. So the first one is the profile picture. So as you guys can see over here, I have an amazing profile picture. It doesn't mean my face is good, but I'm saying easy to read what my face looks like, what the background is. Background is very dark and something which is very important to portray yourself as a professional. Some of the traits of a good profile picture on LinkedIn is, let's say you're directly looking into the camera, or you don't have your sunglasses on, or you have a good professional attire, like a suit, or maybe a good jacket, like I have over here, a sweatshirt. And here are some bad examples that I have set. As you guys can see, the guy is like 1,000 miles away from the camera, or this is something like a cropped picture, or you have taken it out from your group picture that you have taken, or maybe it's a very small picture, like a passport size, but you have uploaded it in a very wrong way. All these are like bad examples of profile pictures which shouldn't be there in your LinkedIn profile to make a good impression. The next one is job title. Job title plays a crucial role in understanding what you are at this point of time, right? It's the punchline that you have to come up with for yourself. For me, it's the basic thing. I have written it down as business intelligence engineer at Amazon. Okay, straightforward. But what else do I do? Right? I am a YouTuber. I am an influencer. I create videos. I'm a content creator. I'm a blogger, right? So these are the things I'm writing apart from the job description. But for starters, for freshers, there are some examples that I've come up for you guys. So let's say you are someone who wants to be a data analyst or a data scientist, and you have, let's say, visualization expertise, or you have some insights, data driven insights, and you can create these insights using data. So you can write something like, a data enthusiast, or you can say something like visualization expert, or Tableau expert, something like that. Some punchline for you, so that you have to sell your profile as soon as someone comes into your profile page. You have to sell with these punchlines in the job title. I'll tell you two more reasons why these are important. So first one is, when you're approaching someone on LinkedIn, the only thing that they can see is your name, your photo, and the next to it, it's the job title, the punchline that I'm talking about. So when you're reaching out to someone, and when you're saying that, okay, I want to pursue this and that, but there in the job title you have written data analyst or pursuing masters and all those things. Stop writing it, guys. I think your way of showcasing yourself should be in a way that you already have something you're bringing to the table. This is a very small thing, but this can affect the way people reply back to you when you are approaching on LinkedIn. The second one again is the same thing. When you go through an unknown post on LinkedIn, let's say someone named Saira Guram Kotapalli just posted something, right? But do you understand? Do you want to know what that person does? That's where the job title comes into picture. Immediately you can see, okay, data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, or YouTuber, influencer. For you, if you're posting something, data enthusiast, visualization expert, something like that, people will be intrigued to know. So always make sure that your job title contains the punchline that you want to sell yourself. The third one is like a small underrated thing, which is the location where you are at. It's very easy for a person to connect, a recruiter to connect with you, because you are in the local area, because they don't have to pay for your relocation. There are some companies which look out for local expertise, local talents only, and that's where your location will come into picture. So update your location as and when you go to a different place. Your connections and your events, LinkedIn will recommend events for you in that location. So my last comment is, just make sure that you have your college name in your profile itself and not in your job title. As a student, please don't portray yourself as a student. You should be portraying yourself as an expert of something, right? So don't write pursuing masters in Northeastern, pursuing masters in North Carolina State University. Stop writing those things. Portray yourself as someone, a professional. You have some experience. So that's it for the introduction section. I'm gonna see you guys in the about section in the next video.